At Alhambra Chrysler Jeep Dodge, you'll find a wide assortment of automotive services and products, including new and pre-owned vehicle inventories, a professional service department, financial assistance, and more. Our friendly and highly knowledgeable staff is dedicated to your satisfaction. Visit us today at 1100 West Main Street and see for yourself.
You will love this 2011 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, equipped with a 6-cylinder engine with only 3 miles. Enjoy this great SUV with features like MP3 player, electronic stability control, tilt steering wheel, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, anti-theft devices, multi-function steering wheel, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this 2011 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. See us at Alhambra Chrysler Jeep Dodge today.
You'll find an assortment of Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep vehicles in both the new and pre-owned inventories at our Alhambra, California dealership. Stop by and experience how car buying really should be.